Hello, I'm Pete Goddard. I'm a fellow at the James Hutton Institute in Aberdeen, and I'm pleased to be a member of the Project Advisory Group. I've been asked to consider which farming systems in Europe could be the subject to agro-ecological measures, and I think it's possible for any farm to take up agro-ecological measures in one form or another. There are a number of things that can be done. I'll just note a few of them. It's not an exclusive list, but I think some of these are relevant to the project we're working on. For example, integrated pest management, using natural or biological methods to control pests and diseases in a wide range of crops. That's something that's becoming much more prevalent and easy to do. We can start thinking about different breeds and varieties of animals or plants. Now, sometimes these may be indigenous species, but with global warming, we perhaps need to look at species that come from outside the area to enhance the system. Another action is intercropping or agroforestry. Intercropping, planting a variety of species together, plant species together at the same time. Agroforestry, mixing the growth of trees for silviculture, for a wood product, with an enhanced animal system at the same time. Cultivation methods are very important, particularly in terms of preserving the soil quantity and quality on land. And novel ploughing methods, tillage methods can retain soil on the land at times of heavy rainfall, for example. Looking after field margins, a good way to preserve biodiversity, encourage native species to return, and also to stop runoff of nutrients into watercourses, in particular in relation to the Water Framework Directive. Another novel option is to plant trees as a crop in upland catchments to help prevent flooding downstream, and that's used in a variety of systems already. And finally, in relation to trees, there's a lot of amenity planting for trees as well to enhance the environment for people who use the landscape. So those are a few measures that can be adopted. Some of those can be used by any farm, I think, in the European Union. Many of these measures actually help with the resilience of the farming system to climate change events, amongst others. So very important from a range of perspectives. So what I haven't mentioned is the social environment, what people want the landscape for, how they cooperate, how they use local products. That's the subject of another discussion, I think. Thank you.